finest playhouse!
Hello, friends. Look what we have today. Oh, wow. Wait, no. Please, don't run away. Gotcha. Friends, all the other animals ran away, but I managed to catch these two. Let's take them back to where they belong. Ha-ha. There we go. Now it's the yak's turn. He goes right here next to the camel. But what about the rest of the animals? Let's go find them together. Oh, what are these? Look at all these shapes. Let's play with them. Let's start with the cow. I love cows. Let's make this ball flat, and I will use my roller to make it big. Just like so. Now, we will press our cutter in. Take away the excess Play-Doh, and now put in the shape. Press, 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 all the way down. Let's see what we made. Oh, wow, it's a cow. Look how easy was it? Aha! There she is. Our cow friend was hiding in the Play-Doh all along. The cow lives on the farm and gives us milk. Let's take it back to its farm. Here we go. Okay, friends. Now let's see what we can make next. Look at this cutter. It looks like a horse. Let's grab some brown Play-Doh, because horses are brown, right? It's so soft and squishy. I love this color. Now, time to press our cutter in. Press all the way down. Let's take off the extra Play-Doh and see what we made. Wow, it's a horse shape. Look how cute it is. But where's the real horse? Aha! There he is. Look at our horse. So shiny and strong. The horse lives on the farm and loves to run fast. Giddy up, horsey. Let's go. Okay, friends, let's see what we have next. Oh, look at this cutter. It looks like a chicken. I have some pink Play-Doh here. Let's make our chicken. Let's see what we made. It's a chicken shape. But wait, our real chicken isn't here. Where did she go? Oh, I have an idea. Let's use my magic stick. Abraca-cluck-cluck. Whoa! It worked. Look, it's our chicken. Yay! Magic always helps. She's so cute and colorful. The chicken lives on the farm and lays eggs. Let's find this animal now. Look at this cutter. It looks like a goat. I have blue Play-Doh this time. Let's roll it, make it nice and flat. Now we're ready to press our goat cutter in. Ready? Press, press, press. Let's take away the extra Play-Doh and see what we made. Wow, it's a goat. Aha! There he is. Our goat friend was hiding in the Play-Doh all along. Look at our goat. He's so cute. Goats live on the farm and love to eat grass. Come on, little goat. What's next? I'm feeling a little tired now. I know. Let's do some magic. Aha! Yay! Now we're all ready to press our cutter in. Press, press. And now our mold. And peel away the extra Play-Doh. 1, 2. Another Play-Doh piece? A sheep cutter? Okay then, let's do it. Press the sheep cutter in, and now press our mold on top. Off comes the extra Play-Doh. Let's see what we made. It's a donkey, so cool. Let's check this one. A sheep. Hurrah! And they both turned into the puzzle pieces we were looking for. Let's put away our sheep first. Sheep give us soft wool. That's what cozy sweaters are made from. Now it's time for the donkey to go home. Donkeys are very strong. They help farmers carry things around the farm. Woohoo! Now my favorite part. Which color should I go for first? Orange. Here's our cutter. And the mold goes on top. Off comes the extra Play-Doh. Now it's time for the blue Play-Doh. We'll do the same thing again. And now, the pink one. I'm having so much fun right now. And the last one, yellow Play-Doh. Cut her on. And off goes the extra Play-Doh. Let's take off all the cutters first before we reveal our animals. Now, which one should I go for first? Let's do this one. Aha! It's a dog. Hello, doggy. Oh, look, our dog puzzle piece. Now, which one next? This one? Wow, it's a duck. Look how cute it is. And yay, another puzzle piece. Which one should I pick now? Oh, hello, kitty. And here's our cat puzzle. So cute. And now the last one. It's a rabbit. All the puzzles are back. Woohoo! Let's take them home. Dog first. Dogs have super strong noses. They can smell things from far away. Now the rabbit. Rabbits have long ears that can turn in different directions. Our cute and little cat. Cats can jump super high, up to 6 times their height. And the last one, the duck. Ducks love swimming. Their feathers stay dry because they're waterproof. Great job, friends! We did it! Let's clap for them, friends! Bye-bye, everyone! See you next time!